vulnerable coastal areas again preparing for a storm surge. And News Center 5's John Atwater is live in Scituate tonight, where this winter has been unrelenting, John.
Oh, it sure has, Heather. This winter has ripped apart this seawall. This is the seawall here in Scituate. Came down. I'm actually standing on a huge portion of it. So today what they've done here is brought in these huge boulders to try to close this gap and try to prevent some of the damage that they've seen here over the past few weeks. These massive boulders just got dropped in, an emergency fix after hurricane-force winds pounded the seawall in January.
It is getting a little out of control.
And the ocean could be stirring up even more damage this weekend.
Past 3 years, there's just been 3 or 4 really big ones, and just kind of not used to that many in that short of a period of time.
Certainly concerned about flooding. Geography
has officials farther south in Sandwich concerned as expected winds from the north push water and trap it in Cape Cod Bay.
It's a bowl, and we're down the bottom of the bowl, and Sandwich happens to sit in one corner.
I sit up on my second floor and I watch the beach disappear and your heart sinks.
Since the January blizzard, sand has been trucked in to protect homes, and the town is trying to replenish dunes on Town Neck Beach. The problem here in Sandwich, though, they've got all the heavy equipment in place. It's here, but the workers who operate these backhoes are in other parts of the state removing snow.
There's only so many workers to go around.
As towns race to prepare, it's looking more likely they will not be able to escape another punishing blizzard.
Hopefully it goes out to sea and we miss it, because we've had this place, the family, since '62, and this past 4 or 5 years the storms have been incredible.
And tonight the water is about 30 feet behind us here, but obviously over the weekend it's going to get stirred up, come closer. These boulders are of course not going to prevent the water from coming through, so what they're doing in town is clearing the storm drains, making sure they're clear in case the water comes in. It has to go somewhere. We're live in Scituate tonight. John Atwater, WCVB News Center 5.